Good morning, students. And now we are entering into the Unit 2. Just Unit 2 name is the miscellaneous treatment. Now our topic is use of municipal wastewater in industries. Municipal wastewaters in industries. Guys, here independent consulting and planning engineers for water, wastewater, solid waste, and environmental protection technology worldwide. From the last 40 years of our activity, some is there. Here, some examples is there. Aqua municipal wastewater treatment and industrial wastewater treatment and the treatment of solid waste in the residues. Solid Waste Treatment Center, Hanover. Here, this is the picture how solid waste treatment center. Here, incineration, mechanical sorting and composting facility, fermentation, and the composting from the fermentation plant. Here, the round bubble here is the fermentation. Here, wastewater treatment, Hanover. This is the picture to enhancing your your imagination. 8000p. uh, Free denil- denitrification and biological phosphorus removals. Guys, here introduction and the structure of industrial wastewater treatment, approved technologies, and the evaluation of the cost for the treatment and the new developments. Examples for municipal wastewater treatment. Municipal wastewater treatment here 4000 p. This is the example of the PE aqua compact system. Here cascade technology 60,000 p. Cascade technology 95 EW. Here WWP 8 inch 4.5 MUP. Guys, these are all the wastewater treatment plants. Now, introduction. Goal of the industrial wastewater treatment is protection of the receiving waters, whether it is surface water or groundwater, treatment before discharge, and recycling of the wastewater flow, recycling of valuables from the wastewater, example raw material, nutrients, and metals, usage of the energy contained in the water, example using re residues from the treatment are the complete wastewater. Main wastewater components to be considered particles. Example sand, stones, screws, bones, and the feathers. These are all the particles. And organic compounds. Biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and measured in the sum as COD and BOD. And here nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus. Hazardous components, cyanide, arsenic, phenol, chrome, mercury, organic compounds like aromatic hydrocarbons, and many thousands of parameters. But here Structure of industrial wastewater treatment is indirect discharge, direct discharge, or internal reuse. Structure of industrial wastewater treatment, indirect discharge. The industrial wastewater will be discharged to get public sewer if required after a free treatment, mixing with the municipal, commercial, and other industrial wastewater streams. The treatment costs for the industrial wastewater in the sewerage network and the treatment plan have to be considered. The characteristics of the sewage system has to be considered. Here guys, industry, municipality, combined system, stormwater discharge and treated wastewater. This is the receiving water. Here industry feeding after last discharge point, municipality, combined system, stormwater discharge, and treated wastewater. And here industry and direct feeding to the wastewater treatment plant, municipality, combined system, stormwater discharge, and treated wastewater. But here, control of the industries in the catchment area. Canister of indirect discharges with the basic information and all measurements, wastewater sampling and analysis, standard sampling, additional sampling, and cost of distribution to be agreed. Sewer biofilm control. In case of toxic parameters or sludge pollution problems, the talking samples along the sewage network. Brief best available techniques and a reference document. Detailed information about production process and benchmarks for maximum allows specific pollution. Here guys, indirect discharge control to find the reason for high mercury content in the sewage sludge with the biofilm method. Mercury content of cosmetic used in one single household. Here, structure of industrial wastewater treatment. Direct discharge or separate treatment, the industrial production wastewater will be discharged directly into a receiving water body. Significant dependency from the type of production, changes in production seasonal impacts, eventually unilateral composed wastewater, eventually a dosage of nutrients required. The sensitivity of the receiving water may have significant impact to the requirements. Here, example of for direct discharge would pulp factory estimation cell. Here anaerobic treatment. Here aerobic treatment. Structure of industrial wastewater treatment. Internal rescue up to zero liquid discharge. No connection to sewage system. No discharge possibility. The wastewater from the production will be reused in different qualities in the factory. Significant dependency between production and the wastewater treatment. Startup phase problems in the production. Only seldom realized because of a high cost. Requirement in textile industries in India and Bangladesh. Here, industrial wastewater treatment, closed water cycle in the fiber board production in Switzerland. Structure of industrial wastewater treatment. Collection of specific wastewater in separate networks or in one area. Specific treatment technology can be applied to that specific waste matter. Olive processing wastewater network in Pilas or Spain. Here, eight ternaires are resettled from Damascus center into the industrial park Edra in Syria. Structural of industrial wastewater treatment. Collection of several industries in industrial parks. Free treatment requirements have to be adjusted. Example, not to collect only unbiodegradable wastewater. Treatment of organic residues to be considered. Where is a free treatment plant located? At the company site on the municipal wastewater treatment plant, separate location. Here Germany, and here paper factory wastewater treatment. Here paper production wastewater treated on the area of the municipal wastewater treatment plant site. Who is operating the treatment facilities? Own staff of the company, experienced staff from the municipal wastewater treatment plant, or operation through a separate partner. Here the example is BECKS free treatment facility is operated by Hansover Bremen. So here technologies is to be considered: particles removal, sieves, sedimentation, filtration and membrane, and equalization of the flow, storage tanks, mixing, equalization, free degradation, and organic compounds degradation, aerobic or anaerobic biological systems, suspended biomasses, biofilm systems or pellets, nutrients removal with biological treatment or with precipitation, hazardous components, separation or elimination, biological treatment, oxidation, H2O2 and ozone etc., membrane treatment for separation. Rotating drum sieve openings with 0.5 to 5.5 mm. Here guys, a rotating drum sieve in chicken factory. Here, sedimentation tank, United Sugar Starch Factory, India. Here, lamella separator for effective sedimentation, only 1 by 8 of the area compared with the sedimentation required. Here, photo axial Johnson engineering and lamella separator are biological stage. Here, lamella, lamella separator used for the sludge sedimentation in a biological stage of fish farming wastewater treatment plant instead of a final clarifier. Caviar production, Jason, Germany. To remove floating particles, flotation, physical or chemical nutrition, precipitation, here 4 bar compressor bar, air in water, compression station, compression tank, floater sludge, flotation, flat scraper, and precipitation or flocculation. This is the air saturated water. Here flotation for the free treatment of meat processing wastewater. Mixing and equalization tank, Bravery leach. Mixing and equalization tank with the BOD5 removal, uh, customers 35% to be adjusted according to the need of the municipal wastewater treatment plant operated by Hansover. Mixing and equalization with the biological activity, BOD efficiency 25 to 65%. Biological treatment, indirect discharge of free-treated wastewater from chocolate factory. Costs of indirect discharge example. Here, activated sludge plant can be shifted to another location. Industrial wastewater treatment for fruit juice processing. Biofilm technology, treatment of paper wastewater with aerobic fixed film. Here, anaerobic high located reactor fruit juice production. Here guys, UASB reactor for anaerobic wastewater treatment. UASB means upflow anaerobic sludge blanket. Here the instrument is fertilizer Julala, and here fall, fall gas, Abulfat and flats. Here anaerobic dairy wastewater treatment. Anaerobic reactor for the starch factory. Distillery with anaerobic treatment, Hanover, Germany. Anaerobic treatment of Bravery wastewater in the city. Here, membrane technology. Guys, here, NaCl, metasols, viruses, bacteria, color pigments. Here, reverse osmosis, nanofiltration, ultrafiltration, microfiltration, and filtration. Here, size of particles of molecules micrometers and transmembrane pressure in pounds. Aqua consultant here, membrane test plan for choosing effective membranes. Results of the membrane treatment of wastewater from the table Alvin production. Membrane test plan for the Astripo East factory in Amman. Membrane test plant operation in Amman, Jordan. Sludge treatment. Wastewater treatment is equal production of sludge. Sludge fractions might be reused. Example, floated in paper factories. Sludge residues from biogas plants. What to do in Germany? 7,500 biogas plants. Thermal hydrolysis as conditioning before digestion to improve the performance and to replace chemicals. Co-fermentation of organic residues with municipal sewage sludge. Solution for the treatment of degradable organic residues, equalization of the co-substrate characteristic through the slowly reacting sewage sludge, high efficiency of municipal digesters. Up to 2.5 meter cube biogas per meter cube reactor volume instead of only 0.5 to 1.0 meter cube per meter cube for municipal digesters. Energy etheric operation of municipal wastewater treatment plant is possible. Inert COD and biotoxic compounds have to be considered. Anaerobic batch tests are helpful for evaluation. Example for co-fermentation wastewater treatment plant, slaughterhouse capacity 30,000 fix per a day. Slaughterhouse River Ems. Here, slaughterhouse River EMS. Filtration for slaughterhouse wastewater. Co-fermentation of the float with the surplus sludge. Inspection and cleaning of digesters. Industrial path, intrusive co-fermentation of residues from penicillin production and sewage sludge. Digester construction at NCPC projects. Inception of the biogas reactor. Here, evaluation of the cost. You must understand not to forget the sludge treatment cost, cost of combined treatment or indirect discharge, evaluation according to usage of the facilities, relevant parameter. And industrial wastewater might be more or less expensive like municipal wastewater. Results of detailed cost calculation. Anaerobic treatment followed by full stream demonetization solving the N problem. Example, East Factory wastewater. Deammonification organic content can be used for biogas production. No problem with denitrification. New developments. Using aerobic granulars to reduce the footprint for biological treatment, perfect settling behavior, high concentration supporting the granular building. New developments, production of bioplastics from sewage. New developments here. Anaerobic treatment followed you full stream with deammonification and using aerobic granulars to reduce the footprint for biological treatment, production of bioplastic from sewage, zero liquid discharge, what is makes sense, where it makes sense only. Co-fermentation of organic residues from industries, large scale application. So conclusion. Technology says for the treatment of all industrial wastewaters are available up to zero liquid discharge. Most efficient solution can be found with experience from planning, realization and operation and realization of projects mainly related to requirements from legal side or and the economy through recycling valuable energy. Refinancing of the projects for this polluters pay principle is suitable. Aqua consulted as your competent cooperation on projects. Okay, guys, thank you. Next class, I will explain the next topic.